In this video, I will show you how you can add a back button on any iPad. Now this method works when an app crashes on your iPad and the back or the home gesture do not work. So you're stuck on that app and you're unable to leave that app. But if you want a back button as on Android, this method will not work, as currently there is no universal back button on iOS or iPadOS. Now to get that button, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Accessibility. From here, just scroll down and tap on Touch, and from here, just tap on Assistive Touch. Now just enable the toggle for Assistive Touch, and after you do that, then just tap on Single Tap or Double Tap. I will select Single Tap, and from this list, just scroll down and select Home. And after you do that, you will set the accessibility button to go to the home screen. Now whenever an app crashes on your iPad and the gestures will stop working, just tap on the accessibility button which we have created over here and you will go back to the home screen, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.